Ever dreamed of turning back the clock on your skin? Well, you're not alone. Wrinkles are a natural part of aging, but they can also be a source of frustration. While many people turn to expensive creams and procedures, there's a simpler, more natural solution. Today, I'm going to share a centuries-old recipe that has been used to smooth and soften skin for generations. And the best part? It's made with a simple ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen: bananas. Bananas are packed with nutrients like potassium and vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for healthy skin. They also contain natural enzymes that can help exfoliate and brighten your complexion. Here's how you can create your own banana miracle mask at home. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: mash the banana in a bowl. Add the honey and mix well. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat your face dry. Regular use of this mask can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Bananas and honey are both natural moisturizers that keep your skin hydrated and supple. The enzymes in bananas also help remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Plus, it can help brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. For best results, use this mask regularly as part of your skincare routine. If you have sensitive skin, patch test the mask before applying it to your entire face. And remember, a healthy diet and lifestyle also play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in natural beauty solutions. And leave a comment below to let me know if you've tried this mask or if you have any other skincare questions.